What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Denver, Colorado. It is currently October 17th, 2019. Today is going to be in the mid-80s, according to the Weather Channel, which I believe is unseasonably warm. Partly cloudy. Tomorrow it's supposed to be in the 60s though, so the weather around here in the Rockies does shift around. Now this is not exactly the Rockies, but we are at the base of the Rockies at 5,000 feet elevation. This is where the Great Plains meet the Rocky Mountains. So let's go ahead and get started with this tour and explore Denver. Alright, so this area here is called Laramie Square, named after one of the founders of Denver. So this is 15th Street in Laramie. Now, Denver was founded by a guy by the name of James Denver. That's where it gets its name. He was like a higher up in Kansas. So he comes from Kansas. And yeah, so Laramie, also Laramie, Wyoming. I think it's actually pronounced Laramie. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Anyways, this is Laramie Square. What do we have over here? Alright, so now I'm on Market Street, the other side of Laramie Square. I apologize if I'm saying it incorrectly. But Denver is the second most populous city in the Mountain Standard time zone, behind Phoenix. So the city population of Denver itself is about 800,000, which makes it 19th in the US. The metro area of Denver, which includes, I want to say, about 12 suburbs, is about 2.7 million people. That includes Aurora and some of these other places like Boulder and whatnot. Alright, so now we're coming up on Union Station, and you can catch the Amtrak in either direction. This will take you to Chicago, or it'll take you to Salt Lake City, Reno. I believe it takes you to San Francisco, maybe LA. I don't know exactly, but I think it's San Francisco. So I'm gonna go in here and explore. Down that way is Coors Field, which is where the Colorado Rockies play baseball. Let's see if I can get a train ticket, maybe even into the Rockies. I'd really like to go to like Breckenridge or Vail or Aspen if I can get there. All just depends on opportunity and availability, right? Look at this dog. Alright, so this is the Denver Union Station Pavilion. You can get a train to the airport from here. You can get a bus pretty much anywhere. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys around this Union Station here. If you go right in here, you got a hotel. And there's the bus concourse right here. So let's go ahead and explore that. So they do have mobile ticketing here. You just download, before you come here or while you're here, you can download the app RTD Denver. So RTD Denver. Alright, so now we're going to cross this bridge over here. Common Park, West Apartments. That's a nice place to live, it looks like. Lots of young people here. It's in a close proximity to downtown where everything's at, and then you've got these nice apartment living homes with bridges and easy walking access. Pretty good. So it looks like this whole area is filled with apartments and intelligently designed apartment living. Pretty good. And they got some breweries over here. There's this road called Platt Street. Platt Street and 16th. Nice little footbridge. If you go over there, it'll take you to more apartments. So we'll go back over here. So this area here is just 16th. 16th is part of a walking area and also downtown driving area. So it paints the picture for you of what you have across the creek. But they're definitely modernizing and bringing life to this area in a modern way. This part is Platt Street Plaza. Coming soon. Cool. So this is a nice little area. Shout out to Denver for this one. Ultravez, man, that place is just jam-packed. Well, a Target? It's got to be either the world's largest underground Target or it's the world's smallest Target. Looks like it goes upstairs, so. There's an upstairs Target. So this part of town, what we're going to do here from 18th and Tremont Street, that's the Trinity Episcopal Church, Methodist Church. And then over here you have the Brown Palace Hotel, the Navarre building. And then as we come up here, we come up onto 17th Street, which is actually known as the Wall Street of the Rockies. So we'll go up and down 17th Street and then cut back over to 16th Street, which is by far the most happening entertainment area of downtown Denver. Just to give you a little bit of proximity here, that way is the Capitol, which is a park. This way is to the Platt River. That way is to Pepsi Center and Mile High Stadium, or whatever the new name of the Denver Broncos Stadium is. Which tonight they're playing the Chiefs, Thursday night football. That's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Denver, Colorado. Hope this helps you guys with your journey, and see you later from Union Station in Denver.